Our mission statement is simple. We are committed to improving patient care with our safe and effective single-use sterile medical products and customised procedure packs. Each year, we produce and supply millions of items from our state-of-the-art cleanroom facilities. Our ability to answer questions, take and dispatch orders, all the way to setting up custom procedure packs and assisting with their implementation is second to none. And for your peace of mind, we have long-standing relationships with all our local and overseas suppliers. We are dedicated to minimising our environmental impact. We do this by choosing recyclable products and packaging, as well as by installing solar panels, LED lighting and water tanks in all our facilities. Your confidence in our products can be guaranteed due to our quality assurance team, who stringently watch over all areas of manufacture and packaging to confirm our TGA regulatory requirements. We take great pride in being the leader in our field. Our 4 decades of experience have enabled us to create outstanding products that excel in design, ease of use, safety and price. For further details, please don't hesitate to contact us. Defries Industries, a proudly Australian company.